Leo, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is a weekly reading from 25th to 31st of May 2020. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for your blessings. Blessings, yeah. I'm sending you blessings, definitely. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments on my channel, your liking, your subscribing, your sharing. And yeah, I'm sending you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, love, and so many good vibes from me to you guys. And yeah, if you guys are wondering that which deck I'm using, so this is the deck, Good Tarot deck, I'm using right now. Okay, so let's start your reading, Leo. This is for the Leo people. Okay, this is for the Leos. Let's cut the deck for you guys. King of Swords. So this is the Gemini energy you are having right now. Very determined, very clear. Okay. Six of Pentacles, Three of Cups, Emperor. Okay, some of you are dealing with an Aries. Transformation. Wow. Page of Swords right in the heart of your spread. Okay. Seven of Pentacles, Leo. Five of Pentacles, Hermit, and Eight of Cups. Okay. So Leos, here is the Moon card, which is Cancer and Pisces. Okay, Leo, this is, I'm feeling this is you with this Emperor card, because we have Leo here, line. So, but there is another person. You can switch the roles. Okay, you are very determined right now because you want to achieve something. You want to build your empire. You want to be in the like calmer situation, very relaxed situation. You want to be free. Yeah, because this is Page of Swords energy right in the heart of your spread, and you can see the arms are open. The arms are open. So you want freedom, and you are free. You are feeling very free and happy. With the Six of Pentacles, Three of Cups, and the Emperor energy, telling me that you want balance. They also want balance. You want to have good times with them. With the Three of Cups energy, you want to enjoy your life with them, and at the same time you want to build your empire. Yeah, that's it. Transformation, Page of Swords, and the Seven of Pentacles in your current energy are telling me that definitely something has happened, something has ended that was not for your higher good, and you are feeling very relaxed and easy after ending that. Yeah, and now you are waiting for the new, like what is next. So this is your waiting period, like you want to know like what's next. Universe, what is next, universe? So Five of Pentacles, Hermit, and the Eight of Cups are telling me that the person is feeling very sad. Some of you are dealing with the Virgo, because Hermit is here. Another Leo, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay, the person is feeling sad because you have gone through on a journey of your soul, and they think that you will leave them. Yeah, they think that you will leave them because they are feeling very alone without you, and because you are now a changed person before than past person, like than before. You were changed in the past, and you are changed right now. King of Swords, please, for the Leo. Ace of Wands, Three of Swords, Six of Cups. Yeah, Leo, this is the theme I'm getting for you for a long time. I'm feeling like this, like you want to have a true soulmate, and also you want passion. Like you want passion and emotion at the same time. Yeah, and I'm feeling that you are also very clear because this is King of Swords. So you know you want clarity, you want passion, you want emotion, you want stability, everything you want, except of this betrayal. You don't want this heartbreak, you don't want this betrayal. Yeah. Emperor, please. Why is the Emperor here for the Leos? Seven of Cups. Empress. Wow. Wow. Five of Swords. Okay. So I'm feeling that Leo, there is a person who really loves you, who is dreaming about you continuously day and night, and they are very abundant person, but they are feeling a manipulative energy from you. I'm feeling that they are feeling like you are trying to control them with this Emperor energy, because both of you are very beautiful couple, divine masculine, divine feminine energies, and so much love between both of you. And then this manipulation, because Emperor with the Five of Swords, definitely they can manipulate the Empress, and you know that Empress is the Empress. They don't want any kind of manipulation, any kind of controlling energy. They also want freedom. So I'm feeling that that's why the situation uh, ended, because of the manipulation, because of the controlling, because of the fights, arguments. There is so much competition, like ego is there. So when there is ego, there is no love, and when there is love, there is no ego. Why is the Page of Swords is here for the Leo? Six of Swords, King of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles. Okay. So you want freedom, and freedom is coming your way because you are going through moving through you are moving towards your peaceful situation, which is great. And you also want to have stability, which is coming your way. And there is also some kind of stable offer is coming your way. This must be a business offer, or for some of you it must be a love offer, but it is stable, tangible, but a little bit slow with this Knight of Pentacles, but definitely coming your way, because we are also in the Taurus season. So this is Taurus, that's why you're feeling it a slow energy. But Six of Swords is very like go with the flow energy. So definitely on the divine timing, that will come towards you. Okay, why is this Hermit here for the Leos? Five of Wands. Okay, so you have fives here, so some kind of change is coming. Moon, which is Cancer, Pisces, Queen of Pentacles. Okay, so we have King and Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, definitely you are a very beautiful couple. You are very grounded, nice, kind, very warm, very nurturing energies both of you are. And at the same time we have King like Emperor and Empress. So yeah, this is a very beautiful couple. Like you have your match, you have met your match, and just I want to suggest you that don't try to control them, because they are yours. They love you a lot. They also want freedom, but with you. Yeah. Okay. So don't try to control anything, because things will go at their at their pace, at their speed, because this is the universe. This is in the universe hand. So don't try to control the things of the universe. Okay. So Hermit is Hermit is trying to know what is behind this Moon. They are trying to know the secret. I'm feeling this is you, because you know that the person is very in love with you, and I'm feeling that you know that you are feeling like that if they love me, they will have to obey me. But this is not right, because they have their own free will, they have their own desires as well. So they are actually obeying you in the past, but now the situation is, you can see the drama, the conflicts, the other people. So that's why they are, I'm feeling they are tired of that behavior, but they are still want to nurture you, they still want to uh, love you, they still want to have this beautiful connection with you. So Leo, this is a have for you very beautiful reading. And yeah, just uh, free yourself, okay? Live in the moment, stay positive, enjoy the moment so that you can have this beautiful connection. Don't ruin this connection, please. It's a very beautiful, strong soulmate connection, divine connection. So this is a have for you, Leo. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.